Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance interview tips. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe to get this type of job notification as well as interview experience. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two job notification. First one has come from CGI. It is off-campus hiring for the freshers batch. It's hiring for software engineer tester position. So CGI is a very good IT company, Canadian multinational company, and their working location is Bangalore. You have to have 0 to 2 years of experience. That means freshers are eligible. Branches like degree required is BE BTech, BCA, MCA, ME MTech. So, very good opportunity for BC MCA also. And they are looking for 0 to 2 years experience candidate in manual testing or automation testing using Selenium or SOAP UI or Protector, etc. automation tool. So if you interested, you can go through these requirements like good analysis. You must have skills. If you are really interested, click on the apply link. It will redirect to the CGI career page. So there you will get a chance to look into the notification, and it's a full-time job. And CTC will be minimum uh, 3.5 LPA. So you have to click on I am interested. Then the registration form will be open to you. You have to create your profile with CGI, and then you have to apply. So let me show you. Like for the new applicants, you have to create your account by your email address and your country. Otherwise, you can for the returning user or the already registered candidate, you can log in and apply. Okay, so that is the job notification for CGI software engineer tester position. Next job notification has come from Hexaware. Very good opportunity. Hexaware is a very renowned company. So here lots of branches are eligible. So this opportunity is for all of the graduates in BE Tech, MCA, MEM Tech, not eligible. So BE Tech MCA at the main target batch. Passing year must be 2021. Streams, all streams mainly allowed like CSC, IT, EC, EEE, ETC, EIE, IC. Mechanical or civil branches are only not eligible. Okay, so they are just looking for the skills. You can check it, and graduation must be in BE Tech MCA, and no active backlog, and 1 year education gap is considered. 60% marks is required. So Hexaware is across all over India. The CTC they are giving 4 lakh per annum after successful training. So for the training period of 6 months, you will get this stipend of 15,000. There is a service agreement of 2 years. Initial accommodation of 7 days will be provided to you, and onboarding date approximately we are expecting December 2021. If you're interested, click on apply link. So last date is 23rd of November. So mainly Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, these three location you can expect as your job location. So you have to attach your resume, then you have to click on apply now, and by using the Superset platform, this recruitment is going on. So you have to create your profile in Superset for the educational details, professional details, and your experience details like any tools knowledge, those kind of things. So that's the two job notification I want to discuss with you. Hope this is helpful for you. If you really like the content, hit the like button and subscribe us to support our channel and to get daily job notification. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you will get latest notification when we will publish the latest video. Thanks for watching.